And one of the major reasons why you have knee problems is, of course, it's going to be tens of years before you see those kind of symptoms in your body. It's going to be unhealthy food that you eat each day that totally destroy your cartilage, and you don't eat what is really going to help. And my first recommendation for your knee cartilage is going to be restoring your gut health. Because inflammation in the body very often begins in digestive system, probiotics, especially kefir, and other fermented food play a key role here. When gut balance improves, systematic inflammation decreases, and that directly reduces pressure on the joint and the cartilage. And now what I will tell you right now, it must be daily habit for the rest of your life if you want to have good quality healthy knee. First thing is going to be probiotics, especially kefir or any kind of probiotic food. My second recommendation is going to be food rich in hyaluronic acid and the compound that support joint lubrication and elasticity. And those include brown rice, organic chicken, and the fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel. And those food help maintain joint fluid, reduce stiffness, and support smoother movement. So you need a food that is high concentration of hyaluronic acid. One of the easiest way how you can help yourself is going to be regularly eating or drinking something called bone broth. Good quality bone broth is one of the ancient way how you can help with your knee problems, any kind of joint problems. This is my third recommendation. My fourth recommendation is going to be blueberries and other forest fruit are extremely important because of their high antioxidant content. And they protect cartilage from oxidative stress, which is one of the main drivers of joint aging and damage. Then you need to eat food rich in sulfur such as eggs, garlic, asparagus, and onions are essential for connective tissue repair. And sulfur compounds support collagen production and help maintain the structural integrity of the cartilage. Legumes, nuts, seeds, and the whole grains provide key minerals and vitamins like magnesium, zinc, and the boron. And those are nutrients crucial for the bone strength, joint metabolism, and the proper inflammatory balance in the body. This is just a part. When I work with my patients, I make those kind of special programs that are directly connected with those kind of key knee problems, and this is just a part of it. One also important part food that you really need to eat if you have any kind of knee problems is going to be food that are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is so crucial for your cartilage. Those include citrus fruits like oranges and the lemons, as well as bell peppers, kiwi, strawberries, and the broccoli. Vitamin C is essential for the collagen synthesis, and without sufficient collagen production, cartilage cannot maintain its structural function. The next critical group are healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids. You will find them in fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, as well as flaxseed, chia seeds, and the walnuts. And those fats are a powerful role in reducing inflammation inside the joint and slowing down cartilage regeneration. Next type of food that you will need to eat for your knee problems is going to be food that are rich in vitamin D, and especially something called calcium and magnesium. Of course, you take vitamin D from the sun whenever you can, but also you can eat the food that are rich in vitamin D, especially in calcium and magnesium. This is you need to eat eggs, fatty fish, and high quality dairy if tolerated support bone strength, which is essential because of the stability of bone directly affect the health of the cartilage above. Without strong foundation, joint degeneration accelerate. And a couple more information. My dear viewers, I really encourage you to incorporate in your daily habit using good quality spices. 3 spices are perfect for your knee problems. Of course, it's going to be turmeric, it's going to be ginger, it's going to be Ceylon cinnamon. If you incorporate this in your daily habit, it's going to be perfect for your knee. And my last recommendation, of course, is going to be hydration. You will need to drink minimum 2,000 to 3,000 milliliters of water daily, because the water is structural part of your cartilage. If you don't do this, especially after 50 years and older, you will have a lot of problems in your knees. But here is the key message: even you include all of those food without structural precise approach, Results will remain limited. Randomly combining food or following general advice is not enough to stop long-term joint degeneration. At the same time, you must clearly understand what is damaging your joint every single day. Processed meat, industrial fats, sugar, refined carbohydrates, alcohol, and heavily processed dairy products increase inflammation, disrupt metabolism, and accelerate cartilage breakdown. If those foods remain part of your daily routine, no supplements or treatments will give you a long-term results. And a couple more information at the end of the video. You must understand something, my dear viewers. If you have any kind of chronic condition, if you have chronic knee arthritis and your doctors and your medical profession that you see each day cannot help you, be 1000% sure you cannot heal yourself. If your doctors can help you, how you can have the knowledge to remove those knee cartilage deterioration, any kind of knee arthritis. And random advices from the internet, random advices from your friends, from your family, whatever you take, or maybe you see on the everyday basis of your internet. You can see thousands of commercials each day with the creams, with the injections, with the chemical accommodation. Everything will help you remove your knee arthritis. And right now, that's why we have 300% more knee arthritis. In a couple of years, we will have 100% more and more and more. And we will be in 5 and 10 years that almost 90% people above 50 will have some kind of knee degeneration problems, any kind of joint problems. That's why you need structural, professional approach that really can help you. And in my 26 years of working with the patients, I have seen thousands of people who try creams, injections, supplements, and the quick solution. And nothing worked long term. Not because the condition was too advanced, but because they were focusing on the wrong strategy. When you support the body correctly through nutrition, natural medicine, and proper rehabilitation, you can slow down degeneration, reduce pain, significantly improve joint function. But this requires structural and professional approach. For the last 26 years, I'm helping patients all around the world to overcome chronic conditions, and my core specialty is going to be help you overcome spine chronic conditions like herniated discs, sciatica, and similar kind of degenerative disease of the spine. Also, my core specialty is going to help you overcome knee osteoarthritis, hip osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, and similar kind of joint problems. And this is something I work extensively for almost 30 years. And here's what most people don't realize. Those conditions are often treated for the years with pain medications, injections, and surgeries, but the root cause is almost never addressed. That's why the pain keeps returning and conditions slowly getting worse. And my MarioLab protocols are completely different. They are rooted in the modern medicine like physical therapy and rehabilitations, and most important part is going to be nutrition and natural remedies. And those my programs really can help you. And if you, for any country in the world, you can call my MarioLab Center in Zagreb, Croatia on the phone number of +385 98 9179 200. My programs are created 100% individualized based on conditions, medical findings, and long-term goals. And you can come to my office, you can call my private phone consultations. I really believe I can help you. And if you want to learn a lot more about the best vitamins that really can help you with your knee problems, watch my video right here. Thank you for following my viewers. See you next time. Bye bye.